When someone calls you, you can accept the call or decline it by pressing or sliding the buttons. It's easy to make calls with MaxUC Mobile. Open your keypad or dialer, the floating green button, from the phone tab to manually input any number. Then press the call icon. Or you can choose to scroll through your list of contacts, select a contact, then choose a phone number and tap the call icon to place a call. You can also return phone calls from the call history screen. During the call, you'll see a menu with your in-call options, including mute, accessing your keypad, speakerphone, and hold. To add a caller to the active call or to transfer the active call, tap here. Then select the contact you would like to conference with or transfer the call to. If you're talking to someone with a video-capable device, you can add a video to your call by selecting the More icon and then selecting Video. You can always turn it off and return to a voice-only call. This option is located in the menu. To end your call, press this button.